In this video, I will guide you on how to download ESPN content for offline viewing. First, you want to launch open the ESPN app on your device. You are not able to do this on the web browser, so you must download and install the ESPN app. Once you're signed into your account, you want to head over to the ESPN Plus tab to browse the available content. Now, you simply want to find the movie, show, or event that you want to watch. Now go ahead and open it. If offline downloads are supported for that content, you will see a download icon usually displayed as a downward arrow. You want to tap on that download button to begin saving the content to your device. Wait for the download to finish. You can monitor the progress from download section in the app. When you're offline, simply open the ESPN app, then go to downloads and select the content you want to watch. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.